Opendoor set to soar, or hit the floor? The window of opportunity to decide the fate of Open's stock price is approaching. The ball is still flying in the shareholders' court for now. Opendoor announced that it will convene and then adjourn its special meeting of stockholders initially scheduled for July 28, 2025, to August 27 at 9:30 a.m. Pacific Time. The meeting was called to consider two proposals related to a potential reverse stock split of the company's common stock. The meeting was called to consider two proposals related to a potential reverse stock split of the company's common stock. If approved, these proposals would grant the board of directors the flexibility to pursue a reverse stock split if deemed beneficial for Opendoor and its stockholders, particularly to maintain NASDAQ listing compliance. The decision to adjourn the meeting stems from recent volatility in Opendoor's stock trading price. The company received a notice from NASDAQ in May stating that it failed to comply with listing rules due to its common stock closing price being below $1 per share for 30 consecutive business days. To regain compliance, Opendoor's stock must close at or above $1 per share for a minimum of 10 consecutive business days by November 24, 2025. NASDAQ has the discretion to extend this period. The adjournment allows the company additional time to assess market conditions and its stock price. Stockholders who haven't voted are encouraged to do so, while those who have already voted don't need to take further action unless they wish to change their vote. This situation gets even more interesting since Opendoor's stock price spiked above $1 in mid-July, thanks to it being caught up in a bullish wave of meme stock buying. If this kind of enthusiasm sticks around, a reverse stock split would become less relevant if price can remain over $1 for an extended time. A bit of a dilemma. Reverse split or stay? Almost like blackjack. Hit or stay? No, this is a real estate business. It's kind of like should you move or stay? See what happens as your crappy neighborhood starts to improve just as you have enough money to move out.